Hello, my dear students. We are back again to our mathematics class, and I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. And today we'll continue our chapter number 3, addition, subtraction of large numbers. And all of you know, if you have seen our previous videos, that we are doing the exercise number 3.2 until the question number 4 we have done, and today we will do that word problems on addition. So let's move to the exercise questions. See, the first question is given, question number 5 in word problems. A farmer produce this much kg of wheat and this much kg of rice in a year. What is the total production of food grains by the farmer in that year? That means what you have to do, total production. So you remind it that in the question it is given, find out the sum or total and all or together, this type of word it is there mentioned in the question that it is asked, then you have to add it. Add means all of you know the sign of add, addition, plus. So see here, if it the question is asked, the two 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 production of rice and wheat is given. So if that wheat is 10 kg and rice is 20 kg, so in total production will be what? You can easily say 10 plus 20, you will get 30 kg or kilogram. So there also for the large numbers it is given. So what we have to do, total production means we have to add it. The first, so quantity of wheat produced 6 crore 31 lakhs 63,803 kilogram, and quantity of rice produced 2 crores 60 lakhs 10,234 kilogram. So what we have to do, we have to add, and I have made the in word problems you have to make statement first have to make, then you have to write that like this numbers, so and then we can add it. So now you from ones place we will place digit we will add 3 plus 4 is 7 and 0 plus 3 is 3, 8 plus 2 it is 10. So from 10 0 we will write here, okay students, and 1 will carry to that next place. So 3 and 0 3 and more 1 is there, so you will get what students? 4. All right, then 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 0 1, 6 plus 3 will get 9, and 6 plus 2 will get 8. So our total production of food grains will be what students? Now we have got the sum, that means 8 crores 91 lakhs 74,037 kilogram. So therefore the total production of food grains by the farmer in a year is 8 crores 91 lakhs 74,037 kilogram. Alright students, see the next question, question number 6. In the first year of the publication of a, so this much copies were sold in it, and then in second year 5,63,832 copies were sold, and in the third year also 9,84,363 copies were sold. So to how many copies of the book were sold in all? What I have told, all if it is asked in the question, so we have to add all. So if we will take one example, a small number, let there in first year 5 copies were sold, and second year 2 copies were sold, and third year 3 copies were sold. So in total how many copies were sold, students? Easily you can see 5, 2, 3. So that means 5 plus 5, 10 copies were sold. This one you can orally also say. But for the large number, what we have to do? We have to show the addition and so on. At first we will make the statement. So number of copies were sold in the first year 3,57,423, and number of copies were sold second year this much, numbers of copies sold in the third year also this much, and at last we will add total, we'll find. So 3 plus 1's place, you will see that from 1's place we'll add. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 and 3 8, 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 12, 12 and 3 15, 15 and more one is there, so 1 will carry here and 1 16, so 6 we will have to write here and 1 will carry forward to the next place. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 and 1 15, so 5 will write and 1 will carry to the next place. 5 plus 6 11, 11 and 8 19, 19 and 1 we'll have to add 20, 20 from 0 will write here, 2 will carry to the next digit. So 2, 3 plus 2 5 and 5 10, 10 plus 9 19. So this is our result. 19 less 5,618. So total copies of the book were sold this much in all. Alright students. And next question number 7. Let's see what it is given. In a country there are 1,28,65,526 men and this much of women and this much of children. So what is the total population of that country? This is simple way I will explain you first. Suppose in your family number of your how many family members is there, if we will ask or someone will ask you, so how we will see how many men are there. Suppose your father and your grandfather, so 2, and your women how many? Suppose your father and suppose your mother and your grandmother, so 2 will be there. And children, if you will, anyone will ask children how many, only you and your sister, so 2 will be there. So 2 to 4 and 2 in total what it will be? There is 6. So in all family member, how many family members? 6. So similar way in a country, and country we cannot say that your all the men and women will be counted here. So this much a number of men this much and number of women is this much and number of children is this much. So we will add it now. So from this 6 1's place we will add 1's place to just 6 plus 6 12 and 5 you will get here 17. Then 17 7 will write here and 1 will get it to the next place. So 2 plus 9 and 8 17 and 2 19 and 1 is there, so 20 from 0 will write and 2 will carry to the next place, carry forward. So 8 plus 5 13 and 9 13 and 9 20 22 and 22 and 2 it is the 24. So 24 from 4 will write and 2 will carry to the next place. And that's also 5 plus 0 5 and then one more 5 is there 10 plus 2 12. So from 12 we will write here 2 and 1 will carry to the next place. So 6 and 8 6 plus 8 it is 14 and 1 we have to add here. So 15 from 5 will write and 1 will carry to the next place. Okay students, so 8 and 8 16 plus 6 you will get what? 16 plus 6 you will get 22 and 22 plus 1 23 and 23 from 3 will write and 2 will carry to the next place. 2 plus 2 that is 4 and 4 8 and 9 17 from 7 will write here and 1 will carry to the next place. So 1 2 and 1 more is there, that will be 1 more is there, there will be 3. So this is our result. So total population will be this much. There is 3 crores 73 lakhs 52,407. Alright students, now let's move to the next. In our question number 8, it is given a company produces this much of cars and one type in a year and this much of cars another type in the same year. So how many total cars the company produce in a year? That means total it is given. So if it is asked the total, then also we have to add. So in solution what we'll do, that means at first the number of one type of cars produced in a year this much. What is this? 13 lakhs 85,632, and number of another type cars produced in that year, that is also 12 lakhs 98,752. If you add this number you will get, if you add addition you can do, so the result you will get 26 lakhs 84,384, and the company produces this much of cars. Alright students, 9 number, you see the difference between two numbers is given here. If the smaller number is this much, find the greater number. So already I have told in you that if 5 minus 2, you will get what? 3. That means the difference between two numbers is, so if it is given one number is given, so difference is given, difference is 3 is given, 3, and smaller number is 2 is given. So smaller number is 2 given, 2, and then difference also given 3. So how we will get the greater number? How we will get? What you will do students? So you will add simply this one orally, you can add it. 3 plus 2, you will get what? 5. So this is the greater number. Similarly we'll do here also. Difference between the two numbers is this much and smaller number also this much. So we have to find the greater number. What we will do? Addition. So 4 plus 5 9, 8 plus 2 10, from 0 and 1 will carry to the next place. 9 plus 3 it is 12 and 1 is there, so 13. From 3 and 1 will carry 7 plus 1 8 and 1 is there 9, so 9 will write here. 8 plus 0 8 and 8, 2 plus 8 10, from 10 0 will write, 1 will carry to that next place. So 7 plus 2 9 and 1 more is there, with that one also we have to add, so you will get 10. So this is our result. So how much you will get? The greater number is that 1 crore, then next place is 0, so 1 crore 89,309. This is the greater number. Thank you all. I hope this is clear to you now how to solve the addition in word problems.